How to recover your Instagram account if you forgot your password. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to recover Instagram account if you forgot your password and if you don't have access to your email. Let's get started. First thing first you can do is go ahead and open up Instagram, and then from there you want to go ahead and tap on forgot password button down below. Then if you don't have your username, you can find your account by mobile number. So just tap on find by mobile number and enter your mobile number there. And if you want to do it via email or username, you can do that as well. It's okay if you don't have access to your email, you can still use it to find your account. Tap on continue, and it's going to show you all of your available accounts with this email. They'll send you a confirmation code on the email. Now, if you don't have access, it won't work. So what you can do instead is go over to Chrome or any other web browser. And then from there, you want to tap on the three dots at the top right. Then you'll have something called Password Manager here. If you don't see it, first go to Settings and then find the Google Password Manager. Now from here, go to Instagram. In most cases, you'll have your Instagram password saved, so just go there, provide pen or fingerprint, then copy your email address or your username, go back, and then paste it here. Once that is done, just go ahead and enter your password as well, tap on login, and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.